What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. My coworker Jackson just got this new bug-eye wagon, so we're gonna go for a little ride. Can I clip this somewhere? So it came with the STI intercooler, blow-off valve.
Got a air separator.
Oh, this one? And how much did you pay?
$6. Got a brand new TD04 STI turbo too. Like it was placed like 10,000 miles ago.
Can't really see it, but are you ready?
Had an engine reseal at 150, so 20,000 miles ago. He has pictures of it out the car, and you had gaskets. Only thing I don't like is the steering wheel. It squeaks.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And it came with the turbo gauge.
Yeah. Where should I go? Just straight?
Yeah, wherever you want to go.
We'll go on our test drive, bro. I was told the blow-off valves kind of kill EJs.
Yep.
So most people do the bypass valve.
Yeah, that's what I did on mine too.
Yeah. It sounds good. I mean, just edit it later.
Yeah. All right. So this is my coworker Jackson. What other vehicle do you have besides this one?
I have currently a RSX K24, but that will no longer be with us soon. It's getting sold. I also have a 93 3000 GT VR4 twin turbo. Pretty much everything but internals has been done on that car. It's on stock new turbos, but that's about it. Currently non-running because it fell off the U-Haul trailer on the way when I moved here. So I'm just figuring out some fabrication problems, but it's at around 4-ish wheel, 400, 430.
I'll put his Instagram on the screen and stuff.
Never been dynoed, but people with the same exact setup as me, big injectors, bigger fueling, ARP head and everything. It's like 430.
I'm gonna skip to the pool because my battery's about to die. Alright, I'm gonna put Jackson's Instagram stuff on the screen. Thank you for the ride. That was awesome.
I don't smell anything.
And then maybe later I'll see if I can get Scotty a ride in the M5 and a ride in Santino's car. And then we got
This parent inlet.
parent inlet.
I'm a dog and that's true, baby. Can we call this here a truce, baby? And you know I got the juice, baby. And you see me and it's cool, baby. You say you off it too, baby. What you gon' let me do, baby? I'm smoking on this too, baby.
Because he leaned on the coolant hose. Let's see what we got. Here's a 10. Is that a 1/4 inch? Weapon.
That's a 10.
That one's a 10.
Yeah.
Okay. Bring this over to my boy.
I leaned on it and it came right off.
It just came off. That's
Yeah.
it? Okay. So it is a 10.
I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't felt like this in a long time. I ain't had shit in a long time. to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to look like this, it took a long time.
Come here and look.
Yeah. It lost a lot of fluid too.
No idea how that's holding. It's like super loose.
That's crazy. All right, well, she's all fixed.